This is how you use Nano Banana to create 3D versions of your pictures. First of all, Nano Banana is Google Gemini's AI image generator and photo editor. First, you want to open Google Gemini and you want to select 2.5 Flash. Then you want to upload your image. You can press the plus here and upload files, or you can drag and drop. I'm going to drag and drop my image and right here. Once it's loaded, then you want to put in your prompt. This one, we're going to say, create a 3D render of the elephant as a miniature figurine. And there we go. We went from this to this. It's that easy.